Hello, in this video we'll look at fractions. We make it easy for you to understand. So you see a nice apple here, and it shows you the topics that are covered in a set of videos for grade school mathematics and to prepare you for your national grade 6 assessment examination. You deal with numbers and fractions. In this video we'll focus on fractions, and we'll use images to learn more about fractions. So on your screen you see this circle here is divided into two parts, and you can write the fraction as 1 out of 2 parts. So this is one part, this is the other part, or 1/2, and this is the other half. So this 1/2 would represent this part here, the top half. Likewise, this same fraction represents this bottom half. Now in this circle here, we've divided into 3 parts. So we'll have 3 as a denominator there, like that. So it's 1 out of 3 parts for this circle, right? We can even color it. Let's call it red. That's 1 out of 3 parts of this circle here. If we color this other part of the circle, we can color it the same color, red. So we can say 2 parts out of 3 parts. So we move that one from there, and we now have 2 out of 3 parts there. So you see how the fraction represents the division of this circle into 3 equal parts. Excuse. Now let's look at this circle here. This circle is divided into 4 parts. So the denominator would be 4. This tells you how many parts the circle has been divided into. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. So if we color this part here, color this part orange, we can say that we can represent this part as 1 excuse me, 1/4. This is 1/4 of this circle here that's divided into 4 parts. So the denominator 4 tells you how many parts the circle has been divided into. Isn't that so? Now let's remove this circle, this half, and let's draw another circle. Now we can fill the circle. So we have a whole circle. So on your screen you see a whole circle. That's a complete circle. It's not divided, but we can divide this into even smaller parts. We can divide it into 6 parts. So you can see 1/6. This tells you that this circle here is divided into 1/6. 1/6. So instead of having a 4 there, we will have a 6 there. Isn't that so? So you can pause the video and write down the fractions there. 6.